Alright, we're removing a hard drive on the same Dell as our RAM system. We found online documentation to tell us where this was. Screw. We're going to set that aside somewhere that we're not going to lose it, and we remember where it's at. It'll just slide right out. Do we have a hard drive? We apparently have no hard drive.
Well, that's where it would be if we didn't.
That was where it would be if we had one. We don't really need that though. We're going to save anything. Put that back with a pretend hard drive, and it's all virtual now.
Yeah. This cloud computing. There's a cloud in there.
Yeah, it's the cloud.
You insert the cloud.
Need internal storage because
all we need is a connection to the internet. Put that screw back in here the correct way. It'll all fit back together beautifully. There we go. Professionally done.